A pre-owned 2022 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 1.6-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, automatic climate control, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, and leather seats. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.